Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD colors name: orange color, black color, brown color, dark blue color, pink color, red color, light yellow color and sky blue color. Let's start. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C for candy. C for candy. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for goat. G for goat. H for hand. H for hand. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for joker. H J G F B C A. E for aeroplane. E for aeroplane. B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C. C for carrot. C for carrot. D. D for dog. D for dog. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for frog. F for frog. G. G for goat. G for goat. H. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. J for jug. J for jug. So kids, what we learned today? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video. Till then, bye.